Hi, it's Darren working on a lathe, woodworking on a lathe, sorry. I always get it, I don't know. But anyway, here's another little update. Does that look nice? Does that look better than sanding? Then putting dust in there with super glue? Does it? Does that look better? Looks much better. Don't forget this bit's coming off. I just need that for the stop, so when I go inside to make it hollow. But I prefer that on there than dust. Do you? Just gives you another little option. Anyway, thank you for watching and thank you for your likes, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later. Don't forget, you can always look at my I've got things on Gumtree as well, so you know you can always look on there. Alright, thanks a lot. See you on the next one.